everyone, I'm just going to show you how to back up your Notability files. So if you come down here to the cogwheel, which is your settings, you want to go into Manage Accounts and sign in with your Google Drive. Once you sign into Google Drive, you just need to put in your credentials and allow access to Notability. Then you're going to come up to Auto Backup and you're going to select Google Drive. Then if you come down to the Google Drive settings, it will automatically put these files into a Notability folder, which I highly recommend, just because you could lose them if you put it in somewhere else. Now these are the different file types. Notability automatically defaults to notes, but when you try to open them in Drive, they just don't open and they're not compatible, so I always recommend people saving them as PDFs. Okay, so that's the basics of how to back up your Notability. At the bottom left-hand corner, it's not going to do it right now because I've already backed up, but it will say backing up and it will have a little circle showing the backing up process. So I'm going to import a file from Google Drive because that might happen to some kids. You might share something in Classroom and then they want to be able to write over it. So if you go over here next to the search button in the new Note tool, you're going to come down here to Google Drive, and once it loads, I'm just going to pull up a PDF that I have. I'm going to choose this one, and you could add this to existing note if you wanted to, but I'm going to create a new one. You can add it to a subject if you wanted to. You could select how many pages out of that you wanted, but I'm just going to select them all, and I'm going to import it and say done. Now if I open it up, I can draw over it, I can highlight, I can do all the features that I showed you earlier. I find that a lot of students use this to edit over their worksheets that you give them. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.